Hello po mga madam, meron po tayong i-challenge ngayong araw na to. Itong aking aso. Kasi yung mga aso dito madam, mga minsan, alam mo yun, yung parang may isip mo na may mga isip sila, nasusunod sila sa'yo. So, i-challenge ko si Noah kung maintindihan niya ako at kung susunod siya sa akin, okay? So, let's see mga madam. Tingnan natin kung naiintindihan ako ng aso ko na si Noah. Okay, here we comes now. Noah, go to the bed. Go to the bed now. Go to my bed. Come on, go. Go to my bed. Go. Noah, go. Go to my bed now. Noah, go. Go, 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 go. Noah, go to my bed now. Okay? Go, go, go. Go. Go to the bed. Go. Go. What you doing, Noah? Why you looking at me like that? Go. Okay, go to my bed. Go to my bed now. Don't lay down in the floor. Okay, go. Noah. Huy. What you doing? Okay, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay, go to my bed now, baby. Come on, Noah. Go. Go, Noah. Okay, come on, come on. Come on, let's go to my bed. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's go to my bed. Come on. Okay, go to my bed. Go. Lay down in my bed. Noah. Go. To my bed now. Go to my bed. Come on, go. Go. Oh, challenge accepted. He got it. He went to my bed. Say hi, Noah. Hi. Okay, sleep now there. Sleep now. Oh, are you sick, baby? Go eat now. Okay, sleep now, baby. Sleep. Okay, good night. Good night, baby. Ayan na po si Noah. Natutulog na siya. Sarap naman ang higaan ng aking aso. Sarap naman ang higaan ni baby Noah. Noah, are you sleeping now, baby? Ayan na siya. Tutulog na siya. Ayan. Nakakama pa siya.